Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilaban pun long e kathong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play Bnai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
U sembun Menteri Rangba Kejala u Bakhmi Yakatanat Kampo Ying u ba Prestun Tensong. Ula kerpat yakin Ngin bakin penkono yaka Jingïakhih Shah Ngin ha East Giant Hills bad ban ailat yaka Sorkar nak bental lai Bnai ban Ïakren bad ka Sorkar Pdeng bakan penjamno yaki kendon jongka anti doyong. Ha ka Ïakren bad kilat patai kubor ha ka kanyo terek u jelio arjar punrio. Uba tensong ula kentu yaka kenhun ka bapelong yaka jingsha tangan ban wan Ïakren bad ka Sorkar khanang ban yo yaka jing pensyai.
In fact, I think the government, through the Honorable Chief Minister, he has already promised all the stakeholders, please wait, I think for 3 months' time. And the government will effectively try to follow up with the government of India and also to get some kind of relaxation from the present form of the Act. So, therefore, I would request this person who is still in the hunger strike to instead of fasting yourself, why not you meet the government, meet the CM directly and then get the clarification. I think that is important. It is not only that you go for fasting and then you get the solution. So I would request, please come out, meet, government is there. We will clarify everything. But right now, as I said to you, the government is working out how to come out of this chronic problem, out of the present form of the rules, regulation and act. Also,
mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our right, our future.